Ever wish your Samsung keyboard could suggest emojis automatically while you are typing? Here's how to make emoji suggestion appear on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, open an app where you can use the keyboard, for example, while texting on WhatsApp. Tap the text field to show up the keyboard. Then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Make sure Predictive text is enabled first, then find suggest emojis. Now turn on the switch next to it. To see how it works, go back to your WhatsApp. Tap the text field to show up the keyboard. Now try typing a message. As you type certain words like happy, suggested emojis will show up in the suggestion bar above the keyboard. You can simply tap one to insert it to your message. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.